Hey guys, it's Heather with Passion for Savings. Today we're going to be making one of my favorites, an Instant Pot chicken tortilla soup. This is a recipe I actually started making last fall. I have made this one over and over and over again because not only is it easy and delicious, it also reheats really well, so it makes for great lunches and an easy meal prep idea. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add about 4 cups of chicken. We're going to add 1 large can of diced tomatoes. Then we're going to add about a half a cup of celery, a half a cup of carrots, a 32-ounce container of chicken broth, and about 1 cup of diced red and orange bell peppers. Then I have half of a medium purple onion here, and all of my seasonings. I have cumin, chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So lots of seasonings that are all gonna go in there together and make this soup really nice and flavorful. Once we get all of our ingredients into our Instant Pot, we're gonna go ahead and turn our Instant Pot onto manual for about 20 minutes. That's gonna give it plenty of time for everything to come to a nice high pressure, and it's gonna make our vegetables and our meat just falling apart. And so that's exactly what we want with this chicken tortilla soup. Then we're gonna use a natural pressure release, which means we're gonna allow the Instant Pot to set until the pressure releases naturally. That's gonna allow all of those flavors to really take shape and make our soup so delicious. Once the soup is finished, I love serving it up with cheese, avocado, sour cream. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me for more awesome, easy recipes. If you love this Instant Pot recipe, give me a comment. Let me know so that I can do more Instant Pot recipes for you guys. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.